how to become an EPAL here on EPAL. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you how to become an EPAL right here on the app. So for all the Filipinos right there, I'll be teaching you how to become an EPAL. No, just joking. EPAL. No, not. It's a joke because Apple is like rude, something like that. Anyways, right here in Apple, once we open up our Apple right here to become a member right here is we need to click on the bottom right corner. You will see like a profile icon right there. Press on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. After pressing on profile icon in the bottom right corner right here, next thing we need to do right here is you will see there your name right there, status and all of that. And as you can see certification, just go down here to certification and you will see become an EPAL. So here on the EPAL, click on so you can earn extra cash by gaming with others. As you can see, click on become an EPAL. After pressing on become an EPAL right here, you can click on apply for an EPAL. So what will you get? High income, flexibility, make friends. So click on apply for free. Then start reading. Then there you go. Next. So you have to read all the guidelines. Now we get that. What do EPAL do? As you can see right here. There you go. Oh, there you go. Incorrect. We got it incorrect. Which of the following? There you go. We're just gonna click whatever. There you go. Oh no, it's incorrect. Oh, oh, we're getting a lot. Oh no, come on, we're gonna pass this. No, come on. Okay. No, wait. What do the clients purchase from Apple with money? Oh, which method cannot be used to promote your Apple service? Maybe. Uh, oh, I didn't know that was right. Okay, what is the correct approach to free first order? Then, oh wait, come on. Oh yes. Which of the following is not part of Apple's product to value? Okay. Unfortunately, we didn't pass. So yeah, we didn't pass. But yeah, there you go, guys. That's how we do it. Just pass it and then done. So there. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question, because I stepped without question, but guys, happy to answer as soon as possible here on what they call this here on How to Rock, guys. And thank you, guys.